Hey y'all, so we just got here to the Cuyahoga Valley National Park in Ohio. Big park. We're about to see some waterfalls. And then from here, we're gonna drive to Niagara Falls. That's what we're doing. All right. So where y'all at right now, huh? Where are you guys right now?
Cuyahoga National Park.
Cuyahoga? Oh my God, that didn't work. Oh my God, you blew all over Isabella. Isabella's like, come on, Luca. You gotta have him a leash. You can't. Every time you get him out of the truck, you gotta put the leash.
Look how big they are.
I know.
He wanted to walk, so I'm walking.
I know. It's
Why didn't you bring the leash?
His mom said we were just taking a picture.
All right, let's go then. Let's go find this waterfall. So, yo, we broke into the barricades, right? We're trying to get to this waterfall called Brandywine Waterfall. And we went all the way around the mountain, back and forth, and everything was blocked because they under construction. Somehow we sneaked into a little trail, right? And we're about to go see the Brandywine Waterfall. Everybody excited?
yeah. Excited.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Lopes On The Loose.
Catch a stick.
Here we are. We've been walking for 10 minutes now. 10 minutes. And the kids are like having a blast with dandelion. They just love those dandelions. Dandelions everywhere.
Luca keeps on picking them. He keeps running all up in them.
Yeah.
Picking them with his body.
Luca, you like dandelions too, Luca?
Look at all the dandelions.
The dandelion.
Dandelion.
Isabella, come on. Don't- Is it cold, Sophia?
Yes.
Look how clean it is. Look.
See, that part right here must be very slippery.
Turn on. It's clean, okay?
Daddy, over here.
You clean out? Did you clean her butt, Casey?
Sophia, don't be acting
Look, you
crazy.
can throw rocks on in the water like this. Look, watch this. Look, watch.
Watch your daddy. Skipping rock. Wait.
Watch it.
Wait, that's the big. Wait, a little one.
Oh, can I try?
So you gotta throw like this. Look, watch.
Oh, yeah?
Womp, 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 womp. Womp, 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 womp,
How do you
womp.
do it, Daddy?
Yeah, you didn't even give it
Like
the
this.
tutorial.
Look, you gotta grab a flat rock.
Is this good?
Yeah, flat
this
rock. Yeah, that's good, but you gotta throw like this. Look, you gotta throw it flat.
Like a
Look.
frisbee? Wait, can I come where you're at?
You gotta throw hard.
Can I come where
That's it. Womp, 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 womp,
you're at?
womp, womp. Oh my goodness.
This one will be good. Do it. This one.
I did it on
Try
the
it.
first try.
Now we're crossing a little bridge on this little creek, the Brandywine Creek. And the kids heard the noise of a rattlesnake, right, Cass? Right? Right, is that Bella? Go. It flew away. It flew away, Bella.
Look, they didn't whip on me.
I saw it flew away. One flew away. Yeah. Look at the Brandywine Creek. We're about to go see the waterfall. Man, I hope it's a big waterfall, because if it's not, like 2 hours walking for a waterfall, and it's a baby waterfall, we're gonna be like, womp, womp, womp,
It's
womp,
actually
womp,
been 40
womp.
minutes, Daddy.
Huh?
It's actually been 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, but by the time we get there, it's 2 hours, and 2 hours to go back. Keep going. Womp, 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 womp. So y'all, we almost there, right, Casey? It was about I don't know, maybe an hour, a little over an hour.
51 minutes.
51 minutes walk to get to the waterfall, and then we gotta walk back. It's gonna be another hour to walk back, and you gotta put in mind that this is like the hottest time of the day.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you guys can hear. In just a minute, I will show you guys the waterfall. I don't know. We're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. We're right here. Y'all want to see it? Y'all ready to see this? 1, 2, 3, go! Brandywine Waterfalls. Look at that. Let's walk down there, guys. Let's go. Look how beautiful God made that for us. I'm gonna get you a better stick on the way back, Casey.
I mean, I pretty much know it's probably gonna go down now. Right? Down here.
Peace out.
From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will.
Of yourself, do you thirst for a drink from the well? Jesus is calling.
I want to go jump in the water. You want to go jump in the water?